Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the mouse type and power. This matters because Bluetooth needs pairing while USB is plug-and-play. Once done, open System Settings and go to Bluetooth for wireless pairing, or plug the dongle into a USB port and wait for recognition. Make sure batteries are fresh, and then enable accessibility options under pointer control so you can set tracking and scrolling speed precisely for comfort and accuracy as you begin using the mouse. Now customize how the mouse behaves. This is where you shape efficiency. Open pointer control and adjust tracking speed to match your hand motion, then set double-click speed so files don't open unintentionally. Next, map button functions. Assign secondary click to the right button, middle click to wheel press, and add gesture shortcuts if the mouse supports them. Make sure to test natural scrolling versus traditional scrolling across Finder and Safari, and tweak until finish by verifying core actions. Drag and drop text selection, right-click context menus, and smooth scrolling across apps. If things go wrong, reset Bluetooth or remove and repair the device. For wired mice, swap USB ports or cables and replace batteries for wireless units. If you still see lag, close background apps that use CPU, install any Mac OS updates, and check for 2.4 GHz interference. Move other wireless devices away. These steps resolve most connectivity and responsiveness problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.